Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to add friend on Telegram. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Telegram. Make sure you have already downloaded Telegram app on your device. Now here you can see contact icon on bottom. Click on it. It will navigate you to this interface. Here you will see list of your friends. And if you want to find people nearby you, then just tap on find people nearby. And here tap on allow access. Again click on allow access. Now here you will see a person nearby you and you can just simply tap on them and you can message, call or do video call. So if you want to add your friends by their contact number, then just tap on plus icon on top right corner. And here enter your friend phone number and enter your friend name and then tap on create. So in this way you can add your friend on Telegram. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.